Click on the billing option at the bottom left of your screen, then tap on the Invoices selection, which will take you to the list of your invoices. You then want to click on this 3 points button and select the invoice setting option. Click on the templates option just like here. And as you can see, you can manage all of the invoice template that you have on the Stripe account. And to delete the invoice template, you need to archive it. But don't worry, when you archive the template, it will not be shown again as the option when you make the invoice later on. So click on these 3 points besides the template that you want to delete. Then choose the Archives Template option and click on the Archive button. You are good to go. I just archived the invoice template name, template number 2. And when I try to make an invoice, the template number 2 doesn't show up. If you still have any questions, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.